is this is the environment without tribes, without religion, and they just behave like, as you can see, it's just great to see this. Look at that environment, man. Look at that environment. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That's it. Beautiful life of environment, as you can see. Right? Hello family. This is about the amazing earth. I was taking my time while I was watching the branches of the trees around, and I was a bit trying to study exactly how the trees behave. I looked around and I saw to it that every tree and every branch was trying to support the other. We wish the human race could follow this. Look at that. Look at that amazing trees. Each is trying to support each other despite the fact they are drying down. But you can see what's happening. Look at them. Look at that. They are dry, but they are trying to make sure they support each other. Look at that. Look at that. See? They're just trying to support each other. Each one stem tries to pull up the other one, not to fall on the ground. This is amazing. This is amazing. Friends, this is so amazing. Look at that. Look at that. See that? At least they try to hold the other one, hold this one not to fall down, even when they're drying down. Each of them tries to support the other one. The trees is trying to support the other bit. Look at that. How amazing the earth is. Beautiful earth. Look at that. This is very nice. I like the environment of the trees when they try to support each other right from the ground, you see. See that? Oh, beautiful. Even these ones. However much they're dry, but they try to hold on to each other. Look at that. They are dry, but they try to hold on to each other, not to come down. Look at that. Example like this tree. It so happened that it fell off, but look at how it is being supported by its colleagues. Look at how that tree is being supported by its colleagues. Fell off, But they said, we are not leaving you completely to go down. Human race, learn from some of these trees. Try to lift each other by supporting them. Look at that. See that? How wonderful. How wonderful this is. You see that? No one is supposed to be left to fall down. Each one tries to grab the other. Wonderful. Beautiful. See this? The least they can do is try to tie them each other up. So suppose the other one says, you pass here, pass through me here, you climb up. Look at that. Beautiful environment. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, friends. Brothers, family. Look at that. How wonderful it is. The beauty of nature. Look at that. Now look at this one. Now look at this one. See, each try to support each other. Tie the other one. Tell the other one, pass here. I'll support you whichever way I can. Same to this. See that? Oh, wonderful world. Humankind learned from this. God already showed us this. Look at that, humans. Humankind can embrace from this. If a tree can help each other like that. Look at this. They try to make sure that none of them is supposed to drop down by giving each other the support through the arms. Look at that. Look at this. Even try to fall down, the other one says, no, please, lean on me. I'll be able to hold you. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful nature. Oh, folks. See from this one also. Look at that. That one gave it support. It told the other one, you can pass through here, you can climb onto me. Look at that. It's all about nature. If you love this video, give comments, like, share. I'll be grateful. As you can see how the nature behaves. That's how it is. Thank you for now. See you later. Bye. Like and share the video. Thank you.